Please read and pay attention to the disclaimer on this slide. Where do investment ideas come from? Two popular methods for finding new ideas include the use of filters to screen for investable ideas and what we call the connect the dots approach. With both methods, income statement analysis is an essential part of the process. Investors use filters to reduce the universe of stocks that they're looking at based on their preferences. On the slide, the funnels represent research filters. With each pass through the funnel, the number of stocks that meet their criteria shrinks. For example, an investor may want to only look at software companies in the US. That reduces the universe of stocks they're focusing on to around 600 companies, down from thousands. Then they may want to further reduce the list to just the biggest 100 companies. Finally, they may want to focus on only those companies growing their annual profits by more than 25% per year. That number is just 12 companies. With each pass through the filter, the list shrinks until they have exactly what they're looking for. Now, let's dive into the connect the dots approach by exploring potential investment opportunities in one of the hottest sectors in the stock market today: artificial intelligence. The AI revolution isn't on the horizon, it's already here. The groundbreaking event that sent shockwaves across the globe last year was the release of ChatGPT 3.5. ChatGPT 3.5, a large language AI model, astounded everyone with its capabilities. It could create poetry, author short stories, produce academic-level research articles, and even write software code in the blink of an eye. Investor imagination was ignited, sparking a blaze of excitement. AI quickly became the dominant investment theme, with investors rushing into stocks like Nvidia, fearing they might miss the train before it leaves the station. Over the past year, a significant portion of total stock market gains came from AI-related stocks. This environment presents a perfect opportunity to discuss the connect the dots approach with a real-life example. So let's connect the dots and explore how we might find new opportunities. The first dot to connect is understanding what AI models need most to work effectively. AI computer programs devour energy. Training and running complex AI models require vast amounts of electricity. Imagine powering 1,000,000 skyscrapers simultaneously. Moreover, to operate these gigantic computer models, we need very powerful semiconductors capable of performing millions of calculations at once. Semiconductors are the building blocks of AI infrastructure, and electricity is the fuel that powers it. For this exercise, let's focus on semiconductors. This is the $10,000 NVIDIA A100 semiconductor chip that is rapidly becoming central to the AI revolution. This device is a graphic processing unit, GPU, distinct from traditional central processing units that sequentially manage tasks in personal computers. GPUs, however, boast numerous cores capable of handling many calculations simultaneously, a feature that makes them ideal for AI applications. NVIDIA, a leader in this area, is reaping significant benefits from the surge in AI infrastructure investment. Next, let's examine its financial performance through the income statement. Presented on the slide are 5 quarters of NVIDIA results. Remember, a quarter represents 3 months of operations. After 4 quarters of lackluster performance, with revenue declining from $8.3 billion to $6.1 billion, revenue jumped 18% sequentially in the April 2023 quarter, from $6.1 billion to $7.2 billion right after ChatGPT was released. Additionally, net income in the April quarter increased 43% from the January quarter, from $1.4 billion to $2.7 billion. The timing of the improvement in the company's numbers and the launch of ChatGPT provides strong evidence that NVIDIA's prospects are tied closely to the growth in the AI market. What really caught investors' attention was NVIDIA's guidance for the next quarter, which ends on July 31st, 2023. The company guided to a 53% sequential increase in revenue to $11 billion. In the world of publicly traded companies, guidance refers to a company's own estimates of its future performance, typically announced during or after their quarterly earnings reports. It's like giving everyone a sneak peek at the upcoming chapters of the company's financial story. Guidance is always an estimate, so treat it with caution. Don't base your investment decisions solely on it. As a result of the incredibly strong guidance, the stock price took off like a skier flying off a ski jump. So we've connected the dots from AI to semiconductors and semiconductors to NVIDIA. However, the stock has taken off like a rocket ship to the moon. Do you still want to buy shares in NVIDIA after such a big run up in price? If NVIDIA is seeing its business boom because of its GPUs, we should be asking who else makes these types of computer chips. As it turns out, AMD and Intel also make AI computer chips. Intel has been a struggling company for a long time, while AMD is a world-class semiconductor company. Let's focus on AMD, since it's the better company today. Here's AMD's stock chart. The stock price dropped nearly $35 per share from early June to late October 2023, which is puzzling considering NVIDIA's stock price increased during the same period. This discrepancy may suggest an opportunity for investors to scrutinize AMD further, possibly identifying it as a bargain investment. Let's compare 5 quarterly results from late 2022 to late 2023 for NVIDIA and AMD. In the case of NVIDIA, following the release of ChatGPT in the April 2023 quarter, revenue and profits took off. As you can see from the exhibit, revenue jumped from $6 billion in the January 2023 quarter to $7.2 billion in the April quarter, right after ChatGPT launched. Then revenue increased again to $13 billion in the July quarter, and then jumped to $18.1 billion in the October quarter. That's incredible growth, isn't it? The AMD picture is quite different. Their quarterly revenue remained unchanged from the March to the June 2023 quarter. Then it increased only by 7.4% to $5.8 billion in the September quarter. Since the release of ChatGPT, NVIDIA's revenue increased 151%. Clearly, AMD is not yet benefiting that much from the explosion in interest in AI, like NVIDIA. That's why AMD's share price is down 35 points, while NVIDIA's share price skyrocketed upwards. As an investor, it's easy to feel like you've missed the train with NVIDIA given its significant stock price increase, tempting you to consider AMD as an alternative before you perceive that opportunity is also passing by. With GPUs in high demand and supply struggling to keep up, leading to soaring prices, some investors speculate that AMD will soon offer a competitive alternative to NVIDIA's offerings. There is a prevailing belief that the market is expansive enough to sustain multiple major players in this space. The income statement provides the first significant evidence supporting an investor's outlook on AMD. If AMD successfully capitalizes on the AI boom, we would expect to see substantial increases in both revenue and profit in the coming years. Conversely, if these financial improvements don't materialize, the rationale behind investing in AMD would become questionable. Just remember 2 things. The truth is always in the numbers, and the income statement is the judge and jury when it comes to confirming an investment thesis. The AMD discussion is a great example of the importance of learning how to read financial statements for investors.